When it comes to commercial dishwashing, you can choose between two different washing systems, freshwater and tank. But which of the two systems works best for you? We'll explain both systems and provide guidance to help you decide. The right choice depends on your usage and requirements. What is your dishwashing volume? What hygiene standards need to be observed? And where will the machine be used? Freshwater dishwashers score highly in terms of hygiene, high capacity per cycle, and quieter operation. Tank dishwashers are ideal for high-volume, continuous dishwashing due to their very short cycle times. This is because these dishwashers have different operating principles. A freshwater dishwasher is ready for use straight away, without the need for preheating. This means that energy is only used once the program starts. Fresh water flows into the machine and a heater pump heats the water as it circulates. To ensure optimum hygiene, each cycle consists of several cleaning phases. Fresh water is added at the start of each phase. The shortest program lasts just 5 minutes. It washes on 2 levels, thereby achieving a high capacity. 3 spray arms ensure that the load items are thoroughly wetted and cleaned. The machine operates quietly and emits little steam into the surrounding area, meaning you can also install it in a communal kitchen. A freshwater dishwasher is ideal if you place a high priority on hygiene and run up to 40 cycles a day. This allows you to wash up to 1,520 plates, 1,280 saucers, and 800 cups a day. A tank dishwasher works in a completely different way. It has very short cycle times of less than 2 minutes because the machine has a tank from which the water used for cleaning is drawn. When the machine is switched on, the incoming water is heated in the boiler, then flows gradually into the tank. After about 15 minutes, the machine is ready for dishwashing. The water in the tank is kept at the correct operating temperature at all times, so you can start a cycle whenever you like. During the cycle, the tank dishwasher filters the water so that it can be reused for cleaning. Depending on the amount of dirt in the water, it may need to be changed during the course of the day. It's therefore important to load the dishwasher with crockery that's free of food residues. The cycle consists of 2 stages. First, the load items are washed with water from the tank. They're then rinsed with fresh hot water from the boiler, which partially replaces the water in the tank. This ensures hygienic dishwashing results. If you have a consistently high demand for dishwashing or more than 40 wash cycles a day, then a tank dishwasher is the right choice for you. It can wash up to 1,000 plates or 3,000 glasses per hour. You have now familiarized yourself with how the 2 dishwashing systems work. Here are the key points again. The main argument in favor of a freshwater dishwasher is hygiene. For a tank dishwasher, it's the high throughput. The shortest program on a freshwater dishwasher takes 5 minutes. On a tank dishwasher, it takes less than 2 minutes. Capacity per cycle. The freshwater dishwasher washes on 2 levels, whilst the tank dishwasher washes on 1. Concerning the operating noise, the freshwater dishwasher comes out on top. The freshwater dishwasher is energy efficient. The tank dishwasher saves water. Do you have any questions about the 2 different dishwashing systems? Our team will be happy to help you analyze your needs and recommend a system that perfectly meets your requirements.